Hey guys, how we doing? It's been a little while since my first video. I'm not sure if you saw it, but it's regarding OLSP, and my numbers have gotten a lot better. I was at $26 is a little while back, and now I'm at $114. And all of this with OLSP that I'm doing is on sheer autopilot, and I'm really excited because I'm sitting here, had everything set up, and I'm not doing anything and I'm making money. So actually, without further ado, let me just show you, I'll share my screen and let you know what's going on here because this is pretty exciting stuff. So right now, here's my OLSP account. I'm going to refresh it. I'll do it twice just to make sure. Okay, one more time. So as you can see, 114.90, and these are all the dates. Now, if you look at the numbers, they're not big numbers per se, but everything adds up. This is, there's a cumulative effect to everything that's going on here. See, I just scroll down. You can see it's consistent. All these numbers here, and I can go to the next page and the next page and so forth. Right? And she told two friends and so forth. So really, what I'm getting into here is just I was shown how to do this, and in the beginning there's a little bit of work, but then after that it's all on sheer autopilot, and I'm already, like I said, at $114, and I'm pretty psyched about that. And all of this here came just from setting up and doing a little bit of the work first, and then boom, everything else is taking care of itself. So if you're interested, you just feel free to go down and you can click on the button on the YouTube there, and there's a link you can click on. And if we also make a comment, I would appreciate that. And if you want to like it, that would be great too, because I could just say that this is the easiest thing I've ever had to do. And I'm getting a little mentor, and for $7 is all it takes to start this, and things take off. All right, guys. So then I also requested my first payout, and I'm going to my commissions over here, and I requested 8160. It's pending, so that's very exciting. And another exciting thing I want to share with you is with my Get Response account, I have over 200. I have about 230 subscribers, and this is again all from autopilot. This is just something that is accumulating every single day, as you can see, right? And this is very exciting stuff here. I'm pretty psyched about the whole thing because I'm making, again, it's not tremendous money, but it's all doing it on autopilot right now. So if you want to just look at the bottom there, you see the link, you can click it on, and for $7, get started, and you can just take off from there. And that's it. I'm going to give you another update and not too long from now. I'll let you know where I stand with the rest of the OLSP.